What's particularly interesting about this, and I had mentioned that the platform extends to email as well. What Darktrace did was automatically carry out a root cause analysis and recognize that this particular ransomware came from the email server and was spread further through the server. And so what was able to then do is retroactively either flatten the links or in some cases pull these emails from the inboxes of the rest of the people within the organization to prevent the spread of this coordinated attack campaign. So in light of maybe not sounding too redundant here, as a recap, essentially what happened, clicked on a malicious link, downloaded ransomware to her computer, unbeknownst to her, spreads it to the rest of the organization through the mail server. Darktrace shut that down on the network in real time, as you saw in a matter of a few seconds, and then carried out root cause analysis, found it was an email, and then carried out the appropriate action in email to prevent the spread through the rest of the organization.